Okay, having done some prep work for this already, what I've already worked out is the number of connections on the vertex, or the number of degrees, and I've drawn my diagram. So fingers crossed this diagram is right, actually. So we're trying to find which one is not true, having got this. So all I've done is taken that diagram there, or that adjacency matrix, and turned it into a diagram with loops and all sorts of stuff. We're trying to find out which one isn't true. The graph is connected. Well, that is definitely connected, right? Because we can see that all the points are connected. So that's true, and as is not helpful for the question. The graph contains an Eulerian trail. So, reviewing my notes, an Eulerian trail has exactly 2 vertices with an odd degree. Well, let's have a check. There's an odd degree. There is an odd degree. All the rest of them are even. So it does have an Eulerian trail. So that is no use to me. Eulerian circuit, again, let's have a look at my notes. An Eulerian circle is connected and has vertices that all have an even degree. Well, the vertices there don't all have an even degree, so that isn't true. I'm just going to leave that there for question part C. The graph contains a Hamiltonian cycle. A Hamiltonian cycle is a Hamiltonian path, every vertex that starts and ends at the same vertex. Again, I am not sitting there having a go at that one, yeah? So let's just say again, what does that one? Hamiltonian cycle is a Hamiltonian path that visits every graph of the vertex that starts and ends at the same vertex. I mean, to be fair, guys, knock yourself out. You can have a go at that one if you want. The graphs contain a loop and multiple edges. Well, that's obviously true, so we get rid of that. So in that situation, it'd be between C and D. But if I had my summary book, which I do, or the textbook, and it says there an Eulerian circuit, what did I say again? Has to have all vertices that have an even degree. Ka-ching. That wasn't true of that one at all.